Hello everyone, Ya'ate, bienvenidos, and mabuhay. I'd like to start this new year on behalf of the entire district by thanking parents for entrusting CCSD, our administration team, and most importantly, our teachers to educate your children. And thank you to all teachers and staff members for being committed to making this year one of growth, opportunity, and success for every single student across our school communities of Kirtland, Shiprock, and Newcomb. Recently, we're seeing that commitment reflected in the strides our district has made and the success stories in CCSD classrooms. Before we dive into the new year, I want to share a few important updates from our summer. One of the biggest steps we took this summer was expanding our Career Technical Education, or CTE, programs across the district. These programs matter because they give our secondary students, starting as early as middle school, the chance to begin thinking about their futures and exploring real career opportunities. Unlike the traditional college pathway, CTE gives students hands-on access to build skills in the trades, opening doors to careers that are in demand, well-paying, and available right here in New Mexico. This expansion is about making sure every CCSD student, no matter which path they choose, has the tools to succeed after graduation. A big part of that expansion is a new name and a renewed mission for one of our facilities. This summer, we proudly rebranded Career Prep High School as Eagle Peak Career Academy. This is more than a new name. It reflects our commitment to building a dedicated, high-quality school for career and technical education in our district, with equitable access for students across all three of our enrollment areas. We're excited for students to walk through its doors this year to discover pathways into nursing, welding, culinary arts, construction, business, and so many other in-demand career pathways. Our CTE expansion also reached beyond our own campuses this summer. In June, CCSD partnered with the local 412 Outreach and Education Foundation to launch the MC3 Apprenticeship Readiness Program right here in Shiprock. We're incredibly proud that 8 CCSD graduates became the very first cohort in the region to complete this intensive trades training program, earning OSHA certification, hands-on welding and pipe fitting experience, and direct connections to registered apprenticeships and union employment across New Mexico. Several of these graduates are already beginning their careers by joining Local 412 as full union members through major construction projects in southern New Mexico. Even better, CCSD and the foundation are working toward a formal agreement that'll bring this program into our district permanently as an ongoing career technical education pathway, so future generations of students can access these same life-changing opportunities year after year. This is exactly the kind of partnership between schools, labor, and industry that creates real career pathways for our students, and it's only the beginning. Finally, I'm proud to share that CCSD launched a brand new district website this month. Our goal was simple: make it easier for our families and community to find the information they need when they need it. We hope this new site helps us continue improving communication with all of you throughout the school year. We're also working on school apps, so keep an eye out for more details in the coming weeks. Thanks again, once again, to all of you for helping to make CCSD a better district for our students. And that's all I have for this week. Have a wonderful first week of school. Hagone. Adios. Paalam.